YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video to do. I'm not sure if it's Amazon or if it's a normal website, but either or, links will be in the description, either my affiliate link for Amazon or their website link. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Got a small little box. Not sure. International, coming from China. So we'll see what they sent us. Not sure how to open this. Oh wow. Globe and spinning. There we go. Alright. Cut here. Definitely check them out. See what other goodies they have to offer. In case they do have some specials going on. Definitely click that link down below. There we go. What is this? Oh, sweet. This is a Amazon unboxing, so then I do know that this is Amazon. And we have here, ooh, we got a bamboo stand right here. Really nice bamboo. Coming from Yes Wood. Shout out to Yes Wood. We got a little stick right here. It looks like you take this end. Maybe this way. Yeah. Let's twist. Twist and shout. And we got a mirror. Really nice. 3 times magnification. So if you guys are looking for like a mirror, maybe for a female friend, so they can work on their makeup tutorials, or just makeup for themselves, your wife. Nice little gift right here. Stocking stuffer for the next holiday coming up. Christmas. It's scary, it's almost here. This year is moving by fast, guys. Here we go. It's a nice little guy. Hello. Oh, you can see me. But that is clear. That's a really nice mirror. Look at that. Bada boom. Bada bing. Any good? Swivel. Hey. Tony Montana. We know what that does. But yeah, really nice. Super lightweight. Just be careful to drop it. Oop, there I am. Here's my PC area. This is nice. Alright, YouTubers, this is going to be a short video. I mean, it's a mirror, and that's it. It's already put together. So all I got to do is click that link down below. Check out. That is my Amazon affiliate link. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. And if you like this mirror, add it to your cart now. Check out. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night.